we're ready to start with the press conference now. If you have a question, please raise your hand. Any questions to start?
Sir Mush, Jamaica and Cavaliers and a whole over the two-leg of the team.
About the team, they are a very young team, but with good players, very good players. I think they have a good future and they have potential. And about Jamaica, we have been here for a short time, but was really nice to be here because it's a country that I didn't know, so the people treat us very nice. So happy to be here.
Thank you.
No, we needed to adjust because in Miami they created us too many problems in transitions. So we tried today to adjust marking in attack and in the open build up we try to do better. I think we did. So I'm happy with the level that we could show today, and I think we gave a step forward.
Jordan for TVM Sports. Lionel Messi didn't start. Tell us what went behind that decision and what did you make of the level of his play once he came on?
No, well, we knew that Leo wasn't playing for the last 3-4 games, and so obviously we wanted him playing, but we need to know and to find the moment to send him to the pitch. I think was good because he felt very good in the pitch. He could score. The people in Jamaica could see him. So great night for everyone.
Coach Javon Parchment from Unseen Sports TV. You could see that the same style from the previous first game you came here with to stop Cavaliers from the transition, also keep possession of the ball and dictate the play. Tell us, what did you do to your objective to stop them in the transition, because they're a very fast team and they created that chance in the first game?
Yeah, we could see in Miami a team that they did really well in transition when they regained the ball and playing direct. They created us too many problems in the first game. I think today we were much better in the organization, go to defend, controlling the game, don't be in a hurry to attack. So that was a good, and I think we felt comfortable into the pitch because we didn't have to miss or too many miss or too many lost balls in attack. We find the right moment to attack, so that was the key for the game. No. I started the press conference tell you how difficult for me or how good was Cavalier in Miami. They have too many pace in front with the young guys, but they are good running to the space. So we needed to control this because if not, was going to be difficult for us to do or to play a good game. So we could controlling the counter-attack, and that for me was the key of the match. No, don't give them space to run.
Coach, Rose from Knockins TV. First time Inter Miami playing a team from the Caribbean. Speak to me about, say, comparison, the aggressiveness of teams from the Caribbean or compared to the teams from the MLS.
No, you can find different teams. I think today or in these legs we could see how difficult it is when you play against a team that have too many pace in front or players that they are very fast in front. So you have to control that. Maybe we knew how Cavalier played in the league. We could see the Caribbean Cup, how they won the final, running to the space and trying to make some counterattacks. So for me, from the beginning, we knew that we needed to control that. Okay, thank you. Bye.